So today is Saturday, April 29th, 2023. We just got back from Mount Hermon, farmer's market there called Shillings. Got a sack of crawfish, $2.19 per pound. We're about to get started in a minute. All right, Jonathan, you go ahead and put it in the ice chest and we'll wash these mud bugs off real quick. Oh yeah, we got some mud bugs. The crawfish. Some nice sized ones too, man. We got some nice ones in there. Yes indeed. Nice. Yeah, we're about to wash these guys off. Look at this dude right here. Look at this dude right here. He's gonna be boiling in a little while. Yeah, we got some nice ones in there. All right, look at this. This is a good one to look at. If I can get him off. Look at those claws right there. Look at the size of those claws. That's a nice one. He's gonna eat pretty good. Put a little two-step on him. Pow! Look at that dude's claws right there, man. That's some pinchers right there. Look at him. All right, we're gonna put them back in. We're just soaking them in some water, clean them off, get all that mud off of them. We don't want them all muddy when we go to cook them. Just clean them off pretty good. Let's take a look right here, Jonathan. Show them what we got going on here. That's what we're using today. Alright, and we're going to show you what we're going to put in it as well. Louisiana hot sauce. We're putting some Louisiana hot sauce in there today. Alright, we're going to put some Louisiana hot sauce in there. Taste buds going. That's one bottle. We're putting 3 bottles in. Bottle number 2. Starting to smell good. Starting to smell good. All right, cuz, let's go ahead and put the top back on it. boiling now. Yes, indeed. All right, we're gonna start adding crawfish in there. All right, so Jonathan's gonna start filling up this sack with crawfish before we put them in, so we get a good measurement. Don't let any of them get away now. All right, stay tuned, y'all.
Dump it in there. There you go. Get it. You got a little bit left.
All right, they're in. Set. All right, so crawfish been boiling for 2 minutes. Jonathan's gonna add all the ingredients we have. Let me see, Jonathan. We got mushrooms in here, and we got sausage in this group. Go ahead and add it in, Jonathan. All right. Next thing we've got garlic and corn. Gonna add that in. All right, go ahead and put the top back on, and we'll let this boil. Okay, go ahead and start your timer. All right, we're trying out this Boil Boss that I just got this in the mail the other day. We're gonna try that out to turn that temperature down a little bit. Try to get that temperature down to about 150, 160 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting a little water on it. There we go. All right. It's cooling it off. So let's get the, I've got the gauge right here so we can keep a temperature on it. Go ahead and putting this on here so we can see what the temperature stays at. This is a cool little gadget. I like this. Cools that temperature down quick. Look at all that good mushrooms up at the top, and we got the garlic. We want to let this sit in here and soak. Get it hot. I see a little bit of sausage and corn. Watching that internal temperature, trying to get it down to about 160. Right now it's at about 200. All right, well, this is gonna take a little while, so I'm not gonna film that part. For now, take that off for just for now. Okay. All right, so we've let everything soak for about 45 minutes. We're about to pull it out and start eating on them. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take them on out. Just got to get a little bit right through here, there. All right, go ahead. All right, let's get it done. Yes, indeed. Let me see what we got here. We got our crawfish. Got crawfish, corn, sausage, mushrooms, and some garlic. Oh yeah, it's gonna be some good eating.